guys, it's time to do another showcase. Today I have the second edition to the Psychedelic Fantasy series. The first one was 10 by 10 inch and this one is 11 by 14. It's done in the same colors using the same technique, except for the swipe was done over the entire painting instead of starting in the center as I did for the first edition. I've brought it outdoors where these metallics will shine bright. Show you just how gorgeous they are. You can see this painting being created in my video that is posted on my profile on TikTok and also on my YouTube channel. So you can browse and find that if you're interested in seeing it being created. I will be adding this to my Etsy shop today. You can find that link in my link tree on TikTok or in the video description on YouTube. I hope you guys are enjoying this showcase. I will be seeing you again soon. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.